I need some help, folks. I got my little Honda Black Max pressure washer that I've had a couple years and hardly ever used, but went to start it this season, and when I start it, it starts fine, but whenever I move it into the run position down here, it just don't want to act right. Let me show you what I mean. Sorry about that. So as you can see, it starts fine, and I can move the throttle linkage when it's in the start position, but as soon as I move it into the run, it just kind of locks up and don't want to do anything. I replaced the carburetor already, and that didn't do it. So any kind of input or suggestions are greatly welcome. Thanks.